Hi friends, welcome back to the Moxi YouTube channel. My name is Evelyn Ivy. I'm reporting to you from the Moxi headquarters, and today I'm going to show you how to tighten your toe stop. So in this episode, we're going to show you how to tighten your toe stops, not only for these skates right over here, but right at the end of the video, we're going to show you how to tighten for other plates as well that are a little bit more advanced, but stay tuned. So you just got your Moxi beach bunnies or your lollies or your rainbows. They all have one thing in common if you're getting the stock lolly, and that is the plate. The plate on the rainbow, the plate on the beach bunny, which is the marble plate, and the plate on the lolly, the thrust plate, the stock plate, you'll see that they all share one thing in common, and that's the way that the toe stop is inserted. So something that you want to make sure you do not miss right when you open that box is to make sure that your toe stops are nice and secure. And what does that mean? So right now the toe stop is nice and locked right, but if for some reason you get your skates and they arrive like this, uh-oh. Hold the alarm, don't worry, I got the advice for you. Now, if you got your lollies, you probably got a crab tool, and that's great, but if you want my opinion, get yourself a Y3 tool. A Y3 tool is gonna give you that extra torque that you need to make sure that that toe stop isn't going anywhere. Now let me show you how you do that. You're gonna go ahead and grab your skate. You're gonna adjust your toe stop to the distance that you want. Now, I'm a new skater. I don't really know what that is, so I'm gonna leave it as is and I'm gonna test it out. Now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna put weight on the skate while you're gonna hold the toe stop and turn the nut. This is gonna allow you to really make sure that you're securing this toe stop. Now what I'm gonna do is make sure the nut is nice and tight. Awesome. So now that you could do it with your fingers, that's when you're gonna grab the Y3 tool and you're gonna lock it. Ready guys? Prepare. My muscles might come out of the screen. Perfect. You see, no turning left, no turning right, and that's what you call yourself a safe skate. Now, this isn't just advice for the one-time go. I just got my skates, I tightened my toe stop, and that's it. No, you wanna do this every single time you're gonna put on those skates, whether that's check your wheels, check your trucks, check your toe stop. Trust me, it takes 5 minutes and it's gonna save you from maybe a major injury that you do not wanna have later in the day that you did not have planned, correct? Correct. Now for those of you who are waiting for the Reactor Neo or the Reactor Pro plate, you know that you do not need a Y3 tool and instead you're gonna need a Y4 tool. Well, guess what? No worries. Hold your horses. We're gonna call my friend Jay and she's gonna show you how to do that in 3, 2, 1.
Hi friends, I'm Jay and I'm here to talk to you about how I tighten my toe stop on my skate. I have a jack boot. This is the floss color, and I have this on a Reactor Neo plate. This also applies if you have a Reactor Pro or if you have an Arius plate. First thing you're definitely gonna need is a Y4 tool. This is a Y4 tool. You can get this at moxirollerskates.com or your local skate shop as well. I'm sure they'll have them. You're going to find the entryway, which is right here, and it's the same lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. You're gonna loosen it up. Adjust your toe stop to whatever height feels good for you. I personally like mine at the first thread. You take your tool and you're going to tighten the crap out of it. Did I say crap? You tighten the crap out of it because the tighter your toe stop, the less chance of it falling off while you're doing something fun that can instantly turn into something really not fun. So mine's super tight on there. I know because I can't move it. I don't hear any sounds coming from my skate. Same concept applies to all other plates that I mentioned. You just finished watching how to adjust and tighten your toe stops. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment, like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future.